of January, I contacted Pavitra ma'am from the freelance team. She actually helped me in tweaking my profile a bit, and in next 15 days, I got this opportunity. First of all, thank you so much to the entire team of Lawseco for making me this credible to actually back freelance opportunities. It's a very exhilarating experience for me because 6 months back, I could not have even imagined that I would be working for an international law firm. And to be very honest, I did not even know that opportunities like this exist. So it's all because of Lawseco for me. Currently, I'm working with a law firm. It's based out in Kansas City, Missouri. It's named Cross and Kinsman. It's a personal injury law firm. I'm working through Upwork. So I got enrolled in Lawseco last year in the month of approximately July, August. And 2 months after enrolling, I got my freelance profile on Upwork made. But I could not work on that because that time I was actually preparing for the competitive examination. So I did not have any focus on the freelancing side. So in the month of January, I contacted Pavitra ma'am from the freelance team. She actually helped me in tweaking my profile a bit, and in next 15 days, I got this opportunity. And special thanks to Priyanka ma'am, you as well, because I have seen a lot of your videos on the LMS portal where you actually guided to at least spend 3 to 4 hours on Upwork at different time slots. So that was my strategy. I had always kept open one tab on Google Chrome of Upwork, refreshing it every 2 to 3 minutes, looking for the job and being a first mover to apply on the job. So that actually worked in my favor, I guess. So actually, I started with 3 research projects which I got through Lawseco. Then this opportunity I got through Upwork. And what is the best thing I found out about Upwork is once your profile shows that okay, you're working somewhere, you're earning something, you automatically starts getting invitation for the offers and direct messages also. So after this opportunity, I got around 2-3 invitations to apply for the jobs, and I directly got one message from the client who was based out in London who wanted some research work. So I'm working with him also. Initially, I got enrolled in the advanced contract drafting course, and in the month of October, I also got enrolled in the tech law bootcamp as well. One thing which I would like to share here, I graduated in the year 2020. So as we all know, the market was crunch that time, the hirings were frozen. So it was actually very difficult to get into the job, be it law firm or be it independent practitioner, because even they did not have any work. So in the year 2021, I got a job with one of the independent legal practitioner who was specializing in the DRT matters. I worked for a few months, then the second lockdown came. So all the courts were shut, so I decided to try for the judicial services examination. But I was very certain by the time I started that I will be dedicating only 2 years in the preparation given the uncertainty and high competition for the examination. So 2 years down the line, I could not clear even prelims, but I am actually very satisfied that I gave it a shot. And it does not matter whether I made it or not, but I was very clear that it's very important to upskill. Why? Because even if you're preparing so much for the competitive examination, and if you go again to apply for the job, you are just a fresher there. They do not even care about how much you know, how much provision or statutory law you know. They do not care. You are just a fresher over there. So I realized that it's very important to upskill yourself. And one thing which is very important, that as a law student, we all know all the provision about the contract law. We have studied it for 2 semesters. But even if you ask a fresh law graduate to draft simple agreements like memorandum of understanding or a lease agreement, no one will be able to draft that. So that's a big gap. And I really wanted to upskill in that aspect. And I'm very happy that I took a shot with Lawseco, and it's undoubtedly one of the best decisions of my life.